want to use custom fonts, you can choose from all the Google fonts that are available. All you need to do is go to the project overview, hover the project where you want to add specific fonts, and just press the settings gear. Now you hover over to add fonts, and all the fonts from Google will be available. You can also search them, and you can just pick the font you want to use. Let's take this one. And you can also add several fonts. Let's take this one as well. As soon as you're done, you can use them in the builder. So you just add, let's say, a headline, and you will see that the font is available here in the list as we have added them, and you just can change it. And of course, they are also available in the text widgets. So just pick this one.